All right. What day is it?
Day 4.
I think it's day number 5. Actually, it's day number 6. It was a very busy day today. Very tired. Lots of painting going on. This shop is a disaster. Just excuse it. Control, Alt, Delete. The bookshelf is done. The bookshelf is painted, custom mixed by the Frugal father himself. We're gonna call that dark gray. It's creative. Just believe me. The wheels, all done. They're dark gray. All the cab sides. The other two are over here. Those are done. The tracks, as you'll see in a video, oh my goodness, it took forever. I lied to you guys. This is not gonna open. This will never open. I'm not gonna make it open. I'm exhausted, and tomorrow is Haddo's birthday. He was supposed to stay at grandma's and we were supposed to build the bed, put it together. However, Mr. Haddo decided to get the sniffles and the sneezes and the coughs. So somebody got sick, and grandpa is old. He's like, I don't know, 182 or something. He can't have sick kids around him and cough into his mouth, so he had to come home. Mr. Haddo, he doesn't know this is happening still. Mom will have to take him to throw rocks in a ditch somewhere while I try and build the bed. The tracks, they are the pain in my, what is YouTube gonna allow me to say? I really don't like this. I didn't like building this. It was a lot of work. It was a lot of sanding, a lot of cutting, and just a straight up pain. I do have a surprise. Hidden over here, that there is a 125cc quad that I got really cheap. It works great. I mean, I ride it. He knows how to already ride it. It's 3 gears forward, 1 gear reverse, neutral, electric start. It's got a battery. I don't like riding it with him in front of me while I hold him with one hand and I ride it. I do have a little 50cc gas quad. Including 2 or 3 electric ones, and that's the point of this channel. One of the things I want to do is that quad is going to be turned into a miniature side-by-side. I plan on building something that we just barely both fit in, but it's got a roll cage and the ability to sit in there. He'll be able to rip around and do what he wants. He can bump into cars or run over people, and he'll be safe. That's all I care about. So that's the next project. Back to metalworking, which is what this guy does. Woodworking, that's my brother's forte. So we'll be doing some grinding and welding and building, and something fast, something just, you'll love it. Anyway, back to the bed project. This is done. It's got both coats, got the yellow and the white, which I actually really like the contrast of the two. I gotta admit, my wife did a really good job of cutting that. Normally she isn't. Good job, wife. We will be assembling all of this together tomorrow. I keep promising that it's gonna be done. It's supposed to be done. It should be done. It better be done. So I'm exhausted. It's late. I've been at this thing for way too long. Tomorrow is his birthday. This better bring tears to his eyes. Otherwise, I'm just gonna cancel this channel. I'm gonna quit as a father. I'm just gonna, whatever. Anyway, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this video to keep updates of the side-by-side quad builds. And eventually, I'm gonna build stuff for the Frugal Father. So this is all for the fathers. You know, go into your shop, drink some beers, build something for your kid, but build something for you. I will walk through it with you. I'll be here. I just hope that this bed will get done. Anyway, again, that's it. That's all for tonight. I'll catch you in the next one.